Dylusions Dyalog, and this is the one that I am using for bullet journaling, which is mostly just not a memory keeper, because that's my creative diary. It's like a rememberer. It's something I have in place that is my memory. Because mine doesn't work in my body, so I need one on paper. So this part that I'm doing today, I'm doing a few trackers. The one I am currently working on here is a period tracker. So it's quite simple. It's a lot like how I did the month at a glance. I just put the numbers down along the side. But then up top, it's going to be the months. So every column will be a month. And it'll be easier for you to see, like, once I've actually filled one in and stuff, that you can see how it's going to work. But basically, if my period started, let's say November 23rd, then I would color that box in, and then the 24th, 5th, 6th, until my period stopped. And that would be in that first November column. And then December comes, and whenever I start, same thing. So that's how that one would work. And this one goes up into 2023, which I'm pretty sure I'll be in a different book by then, but the space was there, so I filled it out. So what I am doing here is not all months have 31 days. So that little black box, that is just filling in where there are no, like, that number days in that month. Like, there's not a 31st in October, something like that. That's all that is for. And no, I do not know off the top of my head how many days are in each month. Sorry. I know some of them, but not all of them. So I guess I didn't record me doing the top part, but that's how I did it. Just had a little fun with it and put bloody hell. And then period tracker. I thought it was funny. Sorry if it offends you, but it's my book. So now I'm going for a habit tracker, and these are things that I wish to do daily. And I have to say, I am much better at things during the week than I am on the weekend. And that includes taking my pills. Like, I have this routine in the morning where I'll take my iron pill with my breakfast so it doesn't hurt my stomach. And then when I'm getting my water and getting ready to go to work, I take the rest of my pills. So the weekend comes and I don't go to work, so I forget to take my pills. Yeah, creature of habit, but more like a creature of routine. So if the routine is lost, then what I'm supposed to do is totally forgotten. So the way this one will work, up along the top you'll have the date and the day of the week, and then down along the left side it will list the habits that I wish to do. Now, I started off slow. There are more things that I would like to get into, but I'm not going to be doing them all at once. I know myself, so I'm waiting to add some other ones. But again, I'm keeping this very simple, just very basic, nothing too fancy. And sorry my head goes in view, but sometimes I really have to get on top of it in order to see where I'm lining up my ruler. So you can see what kind of habits that I have written down. There's the taking of my pills, eye drops. I have very, very dry eyes, and I'm supposed to be putting eye drops in them every day. And I was really good at it first when the eye doctor told me to do it. I was really good for like the first, I don't know, couple months or so. And then I just fell out of it. I don't know why, but ever since, I'm awful at it. So then it's just simple things like moisturizing my face at night. I would like to get into reading again, so I put down 20 minutes of reading. Filling in my creative diary, because if I forget to write it in that day, it's forgotten what I've done. Like sometimes even the next day, I can't remember what I wanted to write in there. Hence the reason I need this book. Yes, my memory is that bad. So that is it for the habit tracker, and there is space that I could add more, but I mean, that's for the month of November, and I'm pretty sure that's all that's going to go in there for that month. But this is something that I will add to this book every single month. Now, here is a weekend tracker. So it's things that I don't want to do or I don't need to do every day during the week. But on the weekends, I would like to get it done. And sometimes it's not even necessarily on the weekend. It could be one day during the week, but I'm just labeling it weekend tracker. If I haven't done it during the week, then I would like to get it done on the weekend. So what I'm using to write the titles for my trackers are just Dylusion paint pens. And again, knock on wood, still not having any problems with them. I do find, though, my black and white doesn't want to work as well as the colors. I find that weird, but oh well. I have got them working, though. But I had a harder time getting them started than I did my color ones. So I goofed on this one. I was really confused as to how I was doing it. I didn't really need to put like the Saturday, Sunday there because, I mean, everybody knows that's what the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So the numbers would have been fine. And with it only being like 2 days, so what, there's probably 4 weekends in a month. So that takes up way less space than the whole month. I was able to get, I think, 4 months across this one. So I may work this one out differently for next month because I don't think I'm going to want to flip back to this weekend tracker. Like when it's December, I'll have getting tongue-tied. I'll have a new habit tracker for the month of December. So I don't think I'm going to want to fill that one out and then go back to this page for my weekend. So I may situate it a little bit differently. And so for the weekend, I just did little things like water the plants, laundry. I would like to get into tidying my art room, and I don't mean like a great big clean, but just putting away things that are not where they belong. Just, quick tidies. And I figured if I could get into the habit of doing that every weekend, then it wouldn't be such a huge mess. So here I decided to cover up the Saturday and Sunday because, again, it's not needed. And I wanted a way to show that there was going to be different months in this weekend tracker. So I covered it up with some washi tape, and it's just some Recollections washi tape from Michaels. And then I also thought I would divide, like draw a line down, separating each weekend. Just makes it a little easier to track. You see all my lines were a different length because I had a hard time seeing where it was supposed to end. Again, this is where I think the grid dialogue book would be so much easier to use for this stuff. So my next one will be a grid instead of a dot. So I'm just filling in the numbers for what the weekends fall on, and then along the top on the washi tape I will write in with pen the month. And I think that is it for my habit trackers. And like I said, I think I will change it up next month. My habit tracker will be the same. I don't see me changing that. But the weekend tracker, I think maybe I'll just add it to the bottom of the habit tracker, and like how I blocked out days on the period tracker, like the 30th or the 31st if the month didn't have those days, how I blocked those out. I think I will add the things that I want to do on the weekend just at the bottom of my habit tracker, and then block out Monday to Thursday. And then even have Friday included in the weekend. So I think that's how I'll do it next month. Sorry about my dog, but he barks at everything. So that is it for this video. I do hope you're enjoying this series. I know there's not a lot in the video, but I thought I would just film it for you guys just in case you're interested. So you can let me know in the video or in the comments down below if you do find this interesting, if there's anything else you would like to see for a bullet journal style thing. Just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know if you like my videos by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also head over to my Instagram account and say hi to me over there. If you have any video requests, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And don't forget to check out my other videos.